Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you. Tonight will be Valentine's dinner. I asked the wife whatever she wanted, and she actually wanted a happy plate from our local Mexican restaurant, or the P5 as some call it. Basically, it's a Mexican rice, or Mexican restaurant style rice with chicken, veggies if you want, and some queso on top, okay? But I decided instead of going to, just going out and getting it, since it's Valentine's, we're gonna make things special. We're gonna make it on our own. All right. So what I got my Dutch oven here, just heating up, and I've got a little bit of Fat Works Wagyu beef tallow. Like I said, we're just gonna make this extra special, y'all. We'll put a little bit of that in there, okay? And that's what we're gonna use to get this party started here. Let me get my little roosters here. Okay, now once it's getting this hot, I have got, for this recipe here, I've got 3 cups of rice. It claims that you put in there, just dry, just long grain rice, just like you use, when you're making your gumbo or something like that, cook with it. So it says to saute that for about 3 minutes. So I'm gonna move that around in that oil, or in that tallow. I'll come right back to you. After we got that going for about 3 minutes, I'm gonna add in about a cup of chopped onion there. We'll let this go for another about 4 minutes. Just stir around like that. Now I'm gonna add in some seasoning. What I've got here is a tablespoon of this wonderful tango spice. It's like a green chili powder. And I've got a little bit of my Flatiron Pepper Company, some of their Hatch Valley Green flake pepper, and now I've just got a tablespoon of taco seasoning. All right, so roll that in there. Stir that in just for a second. Oh man, it smells wonderful now. Wish y'all could smell this. So you want to get that all nice and mixed in. Then I've got, somewhere, I've got a little garlic, a little minced garlic. Put that in there. Okay. Alright, now we've got all those kids in the party. I've got 16 ounces of tomato sauce. We'll pour that in. Okay, now I've got on like a medium heat. Oh man, it's smelling wonderful. Put that in there. Okay, now I've got some of this, this is what they call Southwestern corn. It's drained, but it's got some poblano and red bell pepper chunks in it. This is optional, but I just want to put a little bit of that in there. And then we're going to go in with 6 cups of a low sodium chicken stock. Kind of a little bit, just stir it in. We've got 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of stock in there. Alright, we're going to stir that and let this come up. Turn the heat back up a little bit. About medium high heat. Let this come up to a good simmer. Alright. Y'all, this rice just came to a boil. I know you can't really see it right there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it off. I'm going to cover it. I'm going to put it in the oven. I got the oven set about 350. That's just the way I do it, leaving it in about 25 minutes. So meanwhile here, while we got that rice cooking there, I'm firing up my Blackstone. I just got this Blackstone a few weeks ago. I'll do a review on it for y'all. Still kind of learning it. But we're going to let that heat up so we can cook the chicken. So we're out here cooking the chicken. And let me show you what I got here. I got this chicken, and it's on a in a big hotel pan with a grate underneath there, a cooling rack, because I want it to get dry. How I've been doing that chicken And that's the reason I got this Blackstone, because I'm wanting to cook a lot more chicken. We can incorporate and stuff, eat a little bit healthier. I brine my chicken overnight. And this stuff right here is Texas oil dust. I call it, it's called Cluckutta. I call it Kakalaka, but whatever you want to call it. Texas oil dust is a good one. Poultry Palooza is another good one by Slaps Barbecue. Basically, that's all you got to do is get a good brine on those chicken breasts, slice them thin. And then you want them kind of dry before you put them on your Blackstone. The reason for that is, you know, that you want to get a good sear, okay? So let me show you what we got going here. We're gonna just kind of spray that around the edges. Now I've got the edges on this one turned up. I don't have as much in the center, but anyway, we're about to get this chicken on there. All right, y'all, just bear with me, because I'm gonna lay the chicken mostly around the outside. All right, as we do this, that's what I'm gonna start with it. Start with some of my bigger pieces, like that there. And again, I'm still kind of experimenting, getting to learn this griddle. So that's why I said I'm not going to do a review on it just yet. I love the idea. It's got the side shelf over here. Absolutely amazing to me. But there's a couple kinks, just like anything I'm trying to get worked out. And again, I don't really season this chicken with anything much, because I can use it for all sorts of recipes, you know. You know, like tonight we're cooking this Spanish or Mexican fried rice, and then it can also be used for Spanish or Mexican style dish. We use it for like an Asian style fried rice, wipe and cut up, throw it in salad, all sorts of different things. But yeah, we're just getting this chicken on there now. And let it sear. I go around the outside. And the reason I do that, the outside of this griddle, I'll go ahead and tell you, it doesn't get quite as hot as the inside. It's very center. So I kind of like to start out a little bit slower. And it's still hot. Don't get me wrong, but it's not. It's just burning hot at that center. So we'll go over here. See that number there. Number there. Like that. Get everything down so we can get a good sear on it. Alright, let that go a couple of minutes. Like that. And then we'll flip it. It really does not take long at all to cook this chicken. I'm going to go ahead and check to see if we can get a flip. Go inside. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect. That's what we're talking about. That there. These two little ones, just like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. And we've seen a couple. You see, that's what we're looking like there. And I've got a thermal pin out here. We'll check up on those. As soon as they get good on the other side, we'll go ahead and take them off. All right, y'all. So this chicken is done. I'm gonna take it off, set it in that pan over there. Then we'll do the vegetable. All right, y'all. So let's get some vegetables going here. First off, I'm gonna go in with some of this beef tallow, Wagyu Fat Works. All right, give us a little bit more oil there on the thing. Hopefully it'll all flow off the back. Now, where's my spatula? Here, old. Get up there. All right there. Oh man, that's cooking. Now we got some onions. Got some bell peppers. All right there. I'm gonna get my other spatula. We'll flop those around on the griddle. Get those cooked up. That's one of the things we use to top the rice with. Alright. Bust it up, spread it out some. Look at that. Get that good flan off there. Chicken left. Seasoning. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. It's going to take but a minute or two. We'll have this stuff cooked, ready to roll, ready to top our rice and chicken with. Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much what we're looking for right there. Just want to brown that down a little bit, get a good sear on those peppers. I'm going to get those off, get those in the bowl over there. We're ready to roll. Alright, y'all, so here's the rice here. Show you how it turned out. Let's give it a little fluff, kind of. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my, that's nice. So, I'll get some of this rice on the plate here in just a second. Try to get it all nice and kind of mixed in. We'll go with the chicken and the cheese, veggies, stuff like that. Let's put this together. As you see, I've got some of that rice down as the base. I'm gonna go with a couple of these grilled onions. Oh yeah, however you want that there. Then you want your grilled chicken, just right there on top, just like that. Just perfect, just like that. All right. Okay. A little bit more. There we go. Now I'm gonna hit it with some of this queso. Got in there. It's important right there. You just want to hit it with that little bit of queso. Oh yeah, that's gonna go up in that rice and everything. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there, y'all. I'm gonna have to give that a try. Look at that. Oh man, look at the picture of it. Homemade happy plate or P5, whatever you want to call it. Wow. Let me get a fork, y'all. Let me taste this. Yeah. One of onions and peppers. Piece of chicken. Everything right there in that bite. Let's give it a try. That's mighty fine, y'all. Have a happy Valentine. God bless y'all. Please like and sub my channel.